So hello students, in this video I will tell you only 5 tips through which you can improve your concentration and study with full concentration. So the tip number 1 is, first of all, put away your mobile phones while you are studying. Now why to put away your mobile phones? Because whenever the mobile is in hand and you have sit down for studying a topic, now when someone messages you, the message pings up or an email pings up or any social networking notification pings up, you get distracted away from your studies and you can find that topic more interesting, talking to your friend more interesting, or replying to some email more interesting than studying. So keep away your mobile phones while you are studying a topic. You can always have them after completing the topic. Put away in some drawer or a cabin that is not easily accessible to you while you are studying. So another thing, you can switch off your mobile data on your phone so that it does not irritate you again and again. The second tip is the social networks. Alarming ad or any exciting ad can distract you from study, so keep away from social networks also. If you keep away your social networks, more than 50% of your time you can invest in your studies. So only thing we need in these periods when our exams are approaching is more and more time, and we may waste a lot of time unknowingly in the social networks. So please concentrate that you have to be someone with good efforts, and you would have to put all your efforts while studying. So keep away from mobile phones and social networking. Third thing is, whenever you get bored of from your study, whenever you get bored of, just meditate with yourself. Meditate with yourself means sit down in a relaxing position and you have to talk to yourself that what study is going to fetch you. The study is going to fetch you good marks, that can again fetch you a great recognition in society, that can fetch you a good job. So there are many benefits of studying, you know them already. So concentrate the benefits of study. Do not concentrate that why I am studying this right now. There is no need of studying this right now. Don't say like this, don't think like this. Think about the benefits of your study. The benefits of the study will help you program your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind will then guide you how to study. So this is a very important thing. Talk to yourself in a silent position. And the fourth thing is, prefer to study in morning. The best time to study is 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Why? Because there is no one to disturb you at that time. And when you have already studied in the morning from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. and you don't get time between the whole day for studying, you will not get pissed off or bored of that you haven't studied today. When you have already studied in the morning, it will help you. It will not put a load on your mind that you have not studied. So prefer to study as soon as the day begins, and it will be very helpful to program your mind also. And the fifth tip is, you have to go out in peace. Travel somewhere after your exams are over. Travel somewhere so that it may rejuvenate you to study more for the next semester or next exams, because you are now fully enjoyed. You have fully enjoyed whatever your free time was, and now it is the time to prove yourself again. You have to prove yourself by getting good marks, by getting to know good concepts, and to be somewhere in society that can help you get your recognition. So this was all. These 5 tips: the mobile phone, social networking, meditation, walking in peace, and study in the morning, will fetch you very good marks. Believe me, if you try these 5 tips only, you will get more than what you have expected. So, and the one last thing I want to tell you, that keep improving your expectations. Don't think that I am going to get 95%, it is okay for me. Think about 100%, think about 125%, think about 200%. That will fetch you 100%, believe me. So follow these tips and you will know that these tips were very helpful when you will get your results. Thank you. Have a nice day.